put that one there. This is like a puzzle. I like puzzles. I don't like puzzles. That's not good. Not good. Just trying to figure out what the hell's going wrong with this. Why is things not coming together right? Our baby number 2 cord was around the neck. Let's see, this one was a bit underdeveloped. Now we're telling baby horror stories. See, it's like this one is just too big. It's... Is it though? It slides in. Okay, we're gonna say no, it's the right side. Okay. Damn cat hair. All right, so let's start with this one. This is the back. So this is gonna be size. This is gonna be one of the soldiers. Except now I'm gonna have to remark this one, you dummy. Just took the marks right off of it. And he broke it again, breaking it again. Hey, Shreddy. It's not metal. It's acrylic. It's just painted gold. And yes, it was laser cut. But it's just plastic. It's just acrylic. How's it going, Shreddy? Yeah, we just I just put it together because it needed to be gold, so I needed to put it together enough that I could paint it, but not the inside, so it'll still stick. It's going good. Busy week. Awesome. It's a kind of a busy week for me too, I guess. I don't know. Or got enough shit going on that I understand the sentiment.
Will all be a continued sub. You guys.
Sarah! How you doing, Sarah? It's been a while. How are you doing? Give me a second, I'll high five you. Let me just get this applied. Thank you, Sarah. I hope you're doing well. "55 months. That's right. It's a lifer.